Hello, this is Sujit here. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Finance with Sujit. Yesterday, I met with an old friend. Unfortunately, he has met a medical emergency. But there are few learnings which I have learned from him after communicating with him. And I would like to share with all of you those learnings. And the first one, very critical, is medical insurance. One must obtain medical insurance to cover hospitalization benefits and other medical expenditure. But it is very important that you need to review what are the restrictions and exclusions which are there in the policy. Secondly, you have to measure the quantum of the insurance coverage which one needs to take. As a thumb rule or broadly, you can take at least 50% of your annual income as a cover. For example, if you are earning 12 lakhs of rupees, you should take 6 lakhs of medical insurance cover. This would help to meet your unforeseen expenditure on medical and hospitalization. The number 2 is contingency fund. One should keep minimum 6 to 9 months of a monthly expenditure parked in a liquid asset, which one can redeem in case of any urgent needs. Third is liquid assets or liquid ratio. Liquid ratio is the number of months where you can meet your expenditure out of your cash assets. So basically, cash asset is liquid asset which can be converted into cash at any point of time. So basically, if you have a monthly expenditure of say 25,000 and a cash asset of 1 lakh rupees, so 1 lakh divided by 25, the liquid ratio is 4. The higher the ratio, the better it is, as you will cover more number of months with any kind of urgent or emergency fund requirements. So, as a learning, we should urge, or rather I would urge to each one of you to check this parameter whether you have an adequate medical insurance, adequate amount parked in liquid asset which roughly ranges from 50% of your total portfolio, and thirdly, whether you have an emergency or contingency fund. Imagine a scenario where my friend has not taken this adequate financial coverage. Situation has been quite dreadful. Hence, this is the learning for all of us. Further, I would request each one of you to follow up my channel and also put in your comment any particular topic which you would like to see or understand. Follow us for more.